Hey guys, this is TikTok2220. As you can see, you can't see my face. In these next at least 5 videos, we're going to be doing a walkthrough of Ultimate Yahtzee. And the order we're going to be doing the versions in is painted, triple, okay, so the order we're going to be doing the Ultimate Yahtzee versions in are painted, triple, pyramid, battle, then classic. And if you guys can hear it, do you hear the music from the radio? If not, hold on a second. Do you hear it now? If you do, that's great. Okay, so the first version we're going to be doing is painted. So I'm going to start the game. But I'm covering my hand over the camera for a minute because there might be more players on the list. Which I'm right. See, so I said it's just myself. Okay, so I'm rolling. And I'll take the 2 2s. And I rolled again and I got another 2, but it's kind of a tricky decision because you see there's 3 2s, but I can also take 11 purple. I think I'm going to take the 11 purple because purple is a hard color, and there's also colors you need to get in this version. Okay, so I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm just going to take the 2 2s up here. And then because there's upper, which is like in most versions of Yahtzee, and there's also middle where you need to get 75 in order to get a 25-point bonus. And then there's some different stuff in this version too. Like, if we get one of the different things, I'll tell you what they call it and what their value is and if we got it. Okay, so I'm rolling. And I'm going to take the yellow and green. And I rolled again. And I got a 3. So I'm going to take the 3s instead. And I rolled again. And I just got an extra 3, which I needed. So I'm going to take the extra 3 up here, which is worth 12. And my goal on the real top is 100, by the way. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I'm going to take the yellow and green again, and I rolled again, and I just got what we were trying to get last time. So this is a painted full house, because you see there's 3 of yellow and 2 of green. So that's what they call a painted full house. So I'm going to take it, which is worth the same value as a regular full house, which is worth 25. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you what my score is. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I'm gonna take all this blue, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. And I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to take the 12 for blue, but we're going to need an 18 to make up for it. Because normal in the middle is 15, which is my age. So in order to make up for this -3, in order to make up for this -3, which we have 12 for blue, we need to get an 18 in either red, purple, green, or yellow. But I'm thinking we get more of a chance getting it in red or yellow because that's a more common color to get that high of a value in. And purple and green are only sometimes, and it's usually hard to get it for those colors. So I'm rolling, and I'm going to take the purple and green, and I rolled again, and I got nothing, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. But as you can see, we were trying to go for a painted full house straight. So I'm just going to take the 1-1 up here. So I'm rolling, and I just got a Yahtzee on the first roll in 4s. So I'm going to take it, which is worth 50. That was totally awesome. See, because it was on the first roll, we got a Yahtzee in 4s. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I just got a rainbow, which is another thing they use in Paint It. So you see, because there's blue, red, purple, green, and yellow in this, you can see there's one of each of those colors on the board. And that's what they call a rainbow in this game. And that's worth the same amount of points as you get for the bonus if your total top is 63 or more, which is 35. So I'm going to take the rainbow, which is worth 35. So I'm rolling, and I'm going to take the 2 4s this time because we avoided them for quite a while, so I'm going to take them now because everything we used the 4s for last time is now taken. And I rolled again, and I got another 4, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to take the 12 for 4s. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I'm going to take the blue, even though it's a little higher than the value. And I rolled again, and it's kind of funny because we got another painted full house, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to take the chance. I'm going to take the palette, which what they call chance in this game is palette. So I'm going to take the palette, which is worth 21. Because I recommend if you don't have anything to take, if chance is your only option, I'd say wait till you get it in the 20s, because in the 20s is a pretty good amount for a chance. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I'm going to take all the red, and see, it's another painted full house, and I rolled again, and I got nothing, but as you can see, there are 3 4s again. And I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to take the usual amount for red, which is worth 15. But did you see when I had those 3 4s and the 15 in red? If you're pretty good on this, I recommend what I did, sticking with the 15, because usually the colors are harder to get than the numbers on the top. So I'm rolling, and I'm going to take the green, and I rolled again, and I got nothing, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to just take the 11 for green. Oh, and by the way, we have extra time for YouTube, so we have 15 minutes, which is good. Okay, so I'm rolling. I'm going to take all the 3s, and I roll again, and I'm probably going to take the purple this time, and I rolled again, and I got another purple. So I'm going to take the 11 for purple. And usually my goal, if we don't make the middle, is 60. But in order to make the middle, we need 26 for yellow. Isn't that kind of funny? Okay, so I'm rolling. And I'm gonna take the yellow. And I rolled again. And I'm gonna take all the 6s. And I rolled again. And I got nothing. So I'm gonna take the extra 6 up here, which is worth 24. Okay, so I'm rolling. I'm going to take all the purple, and I rolled again, and I got another painted full house, and I rolled again, and I got another purple, which now we have 4 of a color. So I'm going to take it, which as you can see, it's the same value as the chance, which is worth 21. So I'm going to take it. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I'm gonna take the 5s, and I'm rolling, and I rolled again, and I already have red, but as you could see, there's the 15 again. But now I'm gonna take the other 5, which, by the way, we only need 2 5s to make our top, but we're gonna try to do 3. And I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to take the 5s, which is worth 10, which, as you can see, will make our bonus. But usually I recommend saving it till, like, you get 100 in your, for your total top, because it could help you get more points. So I'm going to take the 5s, which is worth 10. And as you can see, we just got our bonus. Okay, so I'm rolling. And we got another rainbow. And I'm going to take the yellow. And I rolled again. And, oh, I just got a regular full house. So I'm going to take it. And by the way, my goal for painted is 300. So, usually when I'm playing with somebody, my goal is 300, but if I'm playing by myself, like I'm showing you guys this walkthrough, my goal is 400. So I'm rolling, and I'm gonna take the yellow, or maybe I'll take both of these. Maybe I'll take all of these so we can get a rainbow straight. And I rolled again, and I got nothing. And I rolled again, and oh, I got nothing. So usually if you're wanting to cross off something, usually I recommend first crossing off 4 of a color, and then crossing off 4 of a kind. Because since we already own 4 of a color, I'm going to take a 0 for 4 of a kind. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I'm gonna take the 1, 3, and 4, and I rolled again, and I got a 5. Or maybe I'll do it with the 6, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm gonna take the 6 for yellow. Okay, so I'm rolling, and I'll take the 6s, and I rolled again. I got another 6, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to take the 0 for straight, but that's worth 40, by the way. So I'm rolling, and I'm going to take the red, and I rolled again, and I got nothing, and I rolled again, and I got nothing. So I'm going to take a 0 for flush, which is 5 of the same color, which is worth 45 points. And as you can see, our score is 330. Alright, so in the next video, we're going to be doing the version named Triple.